Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to autofit in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel worksheet. Now select the entire worksheet by clicking here and then double click on any column here. You can see the column are organized and then again double click on any row. As you can see, it's done. This is how you can autofit your column and rows. Thanks for watching our videos. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.